You might be thinking, okay, so this is very simple, right? We can just take the business type column and then try to get the unique values out of it. Okay, let's try to do that and see why that is a wrong solution to this question. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Elevated Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we're trying to learn Python while solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Stata Scratch regarding find the business types present in the dataset. This question has been asked in Google interviews and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads, find the business types present in the dataset. We are given a data frame called Google AdWords earnings and our expected output is a panda series. So it is a panda series which basically has all the business types. And here if you look at it, it also has indexes associated with it. Okay, so if we look at the Google AdWords earning data frame, so it has 4 different columns: business type, number of employees, year, and AdWords earning. And we need to find what all various business types are present in this column. Okay, so you might be thinking, okay, so this is very simple, right? We can just take the business type column and then try to get the unique values out of it. Okay, let's try to do that and see why that is a wrong solution to this question. So if I take the business type and do dot unique. Okay, if I go ahead and run this, here you will be having, okay, handyman media transport in the expected out. Also, you have handyman media transport and that's fine, right? But the problem is the question says that we need a panda series. And let's try to check what is the data type of this, whatever we got. So if I just do this type of this entire output that we just got, it is going to be a numpy nd array. So it is a numpy array and not a panda series. So that is a problem. So even if I go ahead and try to submit this, it is not going to pass all the test cases. You see, it says failed, and what it says, solution is incorrect. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need a panda series of this. So how can we do this? So whenever in a data frame you want the various unique values in the business type, however, there is a significance of this column index. If you look at it, this is signifying where this particular business type first occurred. So at index 0. So obviously we know that in Python, we have indexes that start with 0. So at index 0, we have handyman, index 1 handyman, index 2, we have media, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So at 0 we have handyman for the first time, then at index 2 we have media for the first time, at index 7 we have transport for the first time, and that is what we have in this, right? So if you want to get a output like this, then you cannot use dot unique. What we need to do is you need to use drop duplicates. Okay, so now if I go ahead and run this, you see our output looks exactly like the expected output. And let me just go ahead and see whether this is a panda series or not. So if I do the type, let me run this. So it says panda score series dot series, right? So this is a panda series. Let me remove the type and see whether this passes our all the test cases or not. So here, if you look at it, everything is green and this is how we do it. So yes, it is a tricky question, even if it says easy, but because Google has asked this, so obviously there is some trick involved in it. And it, even though the question just reads one single line that find the business types present in the dataset, because the expected output is a panda series, that is what which makes this question tricky. So you cannot use dot unique, you need to use drop duplicates. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.